Which country gets you permanent residency faster? We're comparing two top destinations for skilled workers, Canada and Australia. Skilled professionals weigh factors like point systems, application processing times, and main requirements to decide on the best immigration route. Canada's Express Entry is a popular, points-based system for skilled workers seeking permanent residency. The Comprehensive Ranking System, or CRS, assigns points for factors like age, education, work experience, and language ability. Applicants with the highest CRS scores receive invitations to apply for permanent residency, making competition quite strong. Provincial nominee programs allow Canadian provinces to invite skilled workers directly, increasing chances for certain occupations. Australia uses Skill Select, an online system where skilled workers submit an expression of interest before receiving invitations. Australia's points test rewards education, skilled work experience, English ability, and age, similar to Canada but with different weightings. Regional visas give extra points for choosing to work and live outside Australia's largest cities, increasing approval chances for many. Application costs vary. Canada's Express Entry fees differ from Australia's, and both processes include medical and police checks. Processing times vary. Canada's Express Entry averages 6-12 months, while Australia's main skilled visas range from 8 to 15 months. Success rates shift yearly but generally hover around 60-80% for eligible, qualified candidates in both countries. Eligibility strongly depends on specific occupation lists, language proficiency, and educational background in either country. Comparing the pathways, think about your age, skills, language test scores, and long-term professional objectives. Now you have the facts to guide your decision. Which path aligns best with your professional journey? The right choice is personal.